Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of Gadget King Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Neewer carbon fibre 39-inch or 100cm camera slider and what you can expect from one if you buy one. Stick around because I'm going to tell you all about it right after this. Hi guys, thanks for sticking with me after that little interval. My name's Craig and you're watching Gadget King Reviews. This week, or today should I say, we're going to be talking all about the Neewer 100cm carbon fibre slider. But before we go any further, do me one big favour, hit that subscribe button if you like the video. At the end of the video, then hit the like button. If you want to be notified of more affordable gadget and tech reviews, then hit that bell button. And I'm also shotting a few money saving tips when I find them. Now guys, this Neewer carbon fibre slider has got to be one of the best sliders I've seen, if not the best for the money, because yes, it is a manual slider, but the build quality is absolutely amazing. For the $69.99 that it cost me, I am not regretting it one little bit. I think it's amazing. There's not a piece of plastic on it. It's carbon fibre poles. You've got aluminium ends. Everything on it, even the screws themselves, are all aluminium. And the bottom has little adjusters on the bottom. So whatever terrain you're on, you can adjust them and get it nice and level. Now, the centre roller itself, which is the bed for your camera base, which we're going to talk about in a little bit, what you're going to need to go with this to make even better videos or cinematography. It's going to make it a lot better to use. Now it has 4 rollers, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the outside and 1, 2 in the middle. And on the ends you have your standard 2 1/4-inch screw holes and 1 3/8 inch. 3/8 of an inch one. Same on the other end. In the centre you have 3 3/8 of an inch ones and 2 1/4-inch screw holes. On the actual bed you have 2 3/8 and 2 1/4 inch, and in the centre you'd have a 1/4 inch screw so you could put your camera on it. But guys, I don't think it would be very good if you just had your camera flat on it and that's all you were using it for, because you would only be able to get that shot and you wouldn't get no angles with your camera. But the actual kit comes with a little bag, and inside that little bag it has a little screw, if you can see it there, that goes over the top of the 1/4 inch screw to make it into a 3/8 of an inch screw. And then once you've got the 3/8 of an inch screw on there, you can get yourself one of these ball hitch heads, which are around about £20, $25, and they're just standard. But this one comes with a zoomy tripod, and if you've watched my zoomy review, then you'll know all about it. If you haven't, go and watch it, because I have a zoomy M3 travel tripod, professional travel tripod, to give away to one of my next 50 subscribers or one of my already subscribers who comment done in the comment section of that video and subscribe to the channel. So guys, when you put the ball hitch head on, because it has a 3/8 of an inch hole on the bottom of the ball hitch, the adapter lets you put it on here and it just twists on nice and simple. And now this brings a whole new world to the actual filming you're going to be able to do and what you're going to be able to do with it. So I'm going to tighten this up nice and tight, and I'll show you the reason why. Because let's say we're going up a hill. Now, Canon 60D here, because I've got a new Canon 70D, £430 I paid for it, with a Rode microphone, 2 lenses, camera bag, the lot, 740 shutter count, amazing. But let's get on and show you this. Just had to tell you, I'm filming with my new Canon 70D, and that's so I can put things towards the camera and it auto focuses on it. The Canon 60D didn't do that. But if you just connect you can, well, in my case, my Canon 60D to this, adjust it, and if I was going on an angle, now I've got the camera horizontal. So if I adjusted, and I was going to take a shot going uphill, or downhill, should I say here, and then uphill, you're going to get that nice horizontal shot, but you're going uphill. And the ball hitch can then point upwards. It can go anywhere you want to go with it. So if you had them stuck on two tripods, tripod on each end, you can adjust it whichever way you want to adjust it, which makes it a lot simpler to use. I'm just going to take this camera off here because I want to show you the other features. Now, if I was going to use this, I would set it up on two tripods. And like I say, you can get lots of different angles on two tripods. You can have it vertical, and this is supposed to be the hardest shot to do. And obviously, trying to control the motion with your hands alone is going to be the hardest thing to master. And I think there is going to be a little bit of a learning curve, if not a big learning curve, showing you how to get the best shots. I've seen a few videos where they show you it gliding past the trees and showing you what's in the foreground, and it looks amazing. So guys, once it's set up on two tripods, you're going to be able to get lots of shots, but you can put it on the ground and then have your camera facing up. But you'll need that ball hitch head. That is a big part of it. If they sold that with an actual slider, it would be amazing because you couldn't beat it. But guys, for £69, I think this is the best you're going to get. You're not going to get any better than this. If you said to me it was £150, I'd believe you. And Neewer or Neewer, whatever you want to call the name, do produce some quality budget filming equipment or camera equipment. And not all of us are professionals, and that's where these things come in. At the end of the day, if we had to pay the big money, well, we wouldn't be able to afford it. It comes with its own carry case, guys. Canvas carry case. You have your Velcro strap connector, and it's padded, has a little pocket inside of it which holds its little bag with its hexagonal key, and that's where the little screw comes in, which it turns into a 3/8 of an inch screw. Like I said guys, there's not a piece of plastic on here except for the bit of rubber in the centre that stops it from, like, if rubbing them against your bottom of your camera, and it just makes it nice and cushiony and even more stable. And guys, for $69.99, nobody's paying me to say this, I think it's amazing, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. Imagine a nice sliding shot towards somebody or away from somebody. If you were using a wide angle lens, I think you would probably get the end of the slider in, but who says you've got to use the full 100 centimetres? And they do come in 60 centimetres, 80 centimetres, 150 centimetres. It's all about what you want. I just think for like the extra £10 from 80 centimetres to 100 centimetres, I'll get this one. And I had £70 spare off the £500 I had put away for the Canon 70D, which I got at an amazing price, and it's just absolutely brand new. But that's my review, guys, of the Neewer 100 centimetre or 39 inch carbon fibre slider, and I think it's amazing, guys. Well worth the money, and it will make your cinematography and videos or whatever you're making, it will give it that extra dimension to it, and I think you're going to love it. And it's only your imagination that's going to stop you from making excellent videos, and you're going to be able to show people different tricks. So until next time, guys, hit that subscribe button. If you like the review, hit the like button. And if you want to be notified of more affordable gadget and tech reviews and sometimes some money saving tips, then hit the bell button. Till next time, my name's Craig. You've been watching Gadget King Reviews. Be safe out there, and most of all, take care of the family. Bye now.